In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Tiltify donation alerts into your OBS Studio setup, enabling a seamless connection between your fundraising efforts and your live streams. Whether you're raising funds for charity or setting up a personal campaign, this guide will help showcase the alerts directly on your stream, ensuring that your audience remains engaged and informed of any incoming donations. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's begin by heading over to Tiltify's website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard. Here, you can either create a new fundraising campaign or select one that you already have active. This campaign is essentially the heart of your fundraising efforts, and it's crucial to have it set up correctly so that everything runs smoothly. After selecting or setting up your campaign, it's time to find your campaign link. This link is important because it connects your audience to your fundraising page directly. Take a moment to copy this link. We'll hold on to it for a bit later. Now that you've got your campaign ready, let's focus on getting your Tiltify Alerts widget link. Head back to the Tiltify campaign dashboard and look for a section labeled either Integrations or Overlays Widgets. Inside this section, you should find an overlay URL specifically for donation alerts. This URL is generated for your campaign and is designed to work seamlessly with OBS Studio. Copy this widget URL because this will be the key to displaying donations on your stream. Next, let's switch over to OBS Studio, the platform where you'll be broadcasting your stream. Once you're in OBS, you'll want to look at the Sources panel, which is typically located at the bottom of the window. Clicking on the plus button will allow you to add a new source. From the list of options, select Browser Source. This will create a new browser source that you can customize. Give this source a name that makes sense for you. Something like Tiltify Donations works well. In the URL field that appears, paste the Tiltify overlay or widget link that you copied earlier. This link will instruct OBS to display the donation alerts from your Tiltify campaign directly on your stream. You can also adjust the width and height of the widget to match your stream's resolution. Typically, a resolution of 1920 x 1080 works for most standard setups, but you should adjust it to fit your specific stream dimensions. Once you've set everything up just right, click OK, and there you have it. Your Tiltify donation alerts are now integrated into OBS Studio, ready to appear live on your stream whenever you receive a donation. This setup will not only help alert and thank your supporters in real time, but will also create a more interactive and engaging fundraising experience. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!